talk about mitosis phase. Is the resting state before the cell division. This is prophase. The DNA copies and sisters' chromatides line up next to each other. This is metaphase. All the chromosomes made of sisters' pairs line up in the middle of the cell. This is anaphase. The spindle fibers pull apart sister chromatides. One goes to each end of the cell. This is telophase. Sisters reach ends of cells. Cell starts to split. This is cytokinesis. Cell splits in half. New nucleus forms in each cell. What we're going to be talking about is meiosis. This is interphase for meiosis. It's the stage before division. DNA copies. Prophase. The homologous chromosomes line up next to each other. This is metaphase 1. Homologous chromosomes line up in the center. This is anaphase. Homologous chromosomes pull apart. This is telophase 1 and cytokinesis. Cell splits up. This is prophase 2. Sister chromatides pair up. Metaphase 2. Sister chromatides line up in the center of the cell. This is anaphase 2. Sister chromatides pull apart. Cytokinesis and telophase 2. New cells form. The cells are identical to each other. Via mitosis is sexual. Via meiosis is asexual. Changing environments favor sexual reproduction, meaning mitosis, and non-changing environments favor meiosis, meaning asexual reproduction. The advantage for sexual is that the offspring of those two parents are immune to some of the diseases that the parents passed in their lives, and the offspring gets protected by two parents. The advantages for sexual offspring is that they get to have more brothers or sisters. And also it's just faster for asexual because they're just pretty much cloning themselves. For examples of species from each reproduction, for sexual, I'm going to use wolves because they're my favorite animal. And the reason why I think they're sexual is because it's going to be easier for all those pack members to take care of some of the pups, and it's easier just to take care of them. And also, and some of where the wolves live, their climate is changing most of the time, weather to weather, like season to season, and and for asexual is starfish. And the reason why I think it's easier for them to do asexual is because starfish are really slow, so it's really harder for them to do a sexual reproduction if they're really slow. So that's why I think they use asexual reproduction.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.